We just raised $79 million to fix identity security. Here's why. Security has an identity problem, like a digital junk drawer crammed full of old accounts and unused access.
Employees, non-human identities, AI agents. It's getting wild out there.
And every identity is a security risk. Every employee, every service account.
Last summer's intern, who wasn't properly deprovisioned,
He's in Bali now, by the way.
running his own smoothie bar.
Still has access to GitHub. And the problem's getting worse. Employees are using way more apps, and AI adoption is exploding.
Soon you'll have more AI agents to manage than employees. You need to secure them all and prove to your auditors you've got it under control.
So if your security team is using yesterday's tools to manage today's identity landscape, your strategy amounts to hope.
Hope that every AI agent has the right permissions.
Hope that no one gets a hold of the old intern's credentials.
Hope that hope itself counts as a security control.
But it doesn't. Hope is not governance.
And your security team, they deserve better.
So we built ConductorOne to secure every identity automatically and at scale.
With AI that knows who should have access and who shouldn't. Even that bot you forgot about 3 reorgs ago.
So you can replace hope with real control.
That's AI native identity security.
That's ConductorOne. Killed it, man.